What's up guys, my name's Rishabh and you're watching the Cube Wealth Show. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe so you keep getting great content from Cube on how to build your wealth. Now, everyone from your friendly insurance salesman to your bank relationship manager seems to be telling you which investment assets and funds are right for you. Hint, it's usually the ones that make them the most money. Sadly, nearly 50% mutual funds underperform when compared to the market. And then there are fund house issues that investors like you or I won't usually get to know about. In fact, 40% of the mutual fund portfolios that Cube analyzed back in May had bad mutual funds. But don't worry, there is a way to figure out when you should sell your mutual funds and also which ones you should sell. And that is what we're going to find out today. In this video, we are going to talk about a simple way to check if the mutual funds that you own are bad or not, and that becomes an indicator for whether you should sell them or not. Simple, right? So, if you want to try this easy way, just click the Mutual Fund Analysis Tool link in the description and follow the instructions. This way, you can sell the bad mutual funds in your portfolio and switch to better quality funds. All you need is your PAN card and the email ID you used to register when you purchased the mutual fund. Cube's MF Analysis tool does the rest. You will simply see your test results, which will tell you which of your funds are good and which of your funds are bad. And that is how simple it is to figure out which mutual funds you should sell. Try it yourself by clicking the link in the description and testing it out. If you like this video and the content that we post on this channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe so that we keep creating great content for you.